Pricing screen defines from which contract and according to which rate type will reservation be charged. This screen is very important for us because reservations' daily prices will be displayed and changed according to contract values and parameters. For Thalia Agency, under ERS price code, there is no any price. We can change this price code from here. I select Thalia, and from here I should choose one price type. I select Refundable. When I click on Pricing, prices will automatically be listed in reservation according to number of guests, room type, and board type. By clicking on this sign next to price code, I can see the whole list of prices codes in the system and select one of them. Or by clicking on this symbol, I can see the contract details. In this way, I get to quickly check the contract with all details. In addition, by selecting one pricing row, I can see the details of the related contract by clicking on the action menu. Reservation from the example sees this contract and can be displayed with all the details. When I make changes in this field, this pricing information will be automatically changed. If I do the repricing of this reservation for 3 guests, price should be changed for these 3 guests. But it didn't. The reason for this is because this room type is not suitable for 3 persons. We can check this on the room type setup screen, where we define that maximum number of guests in the room is 2. If I change this setting, come again to pricing menu and start the room pricing, this time room will be charged for 3 guests. Here there is the manual discount field. Here 10% early booking discount is applied to this reservation. However, I can arrange to apply extra 5% discount for honeymoon. When I again do the pricing, this condition has changed. Reservation pricing does not have to be from the contract, but it can also be applied manually. After marking manual, I can enter the price to £200. It does not have to be pound here. I can change the exchange currency. As we can see, I did the pricing again from 200. If I close the manual setting, reservation will automatically take prices from contract. I again do the pricing. In this part is the post limit field. This option is used when we want to prevent post expenditures to fall into customers' folio without limit, or if we want to allow for customers to make debts until certain amount. Here we define currency date. Normally, total currency and total price parts are the same. However, in my case, local currency is Turkish lira and room price is in pound. The reason for this is that today is not the day for check-in. Pricing is being done according to the exchange rate on the day of check-in. We can also arrange the exchange rate from some other day to be applied for this reservation. For example, make it use the exchange rate for 17th of this month. As shown, exchange rate and main currency amount is automatically changed. Next is the sales date field. In this field, data when the reservation sales actually occurred are displayed. The reason we need this field is due to the fact that this reservation was made at the end of the discount period and we have not saved it to the system. In this case, discount cannot be applied to this reservation. But if we change the date here, we may arrange for this record to benefit from discounts. If the reservation was sold on the 17th, maybe it would not have entered into early booking period. Thus, it cannot benefit from early booking and honeymoon discount because it stayed outside the date range for these 2 discounts. There is also the field for fixing prices. With this option, we can log price changes for a specific day. Let's say that for this reservation, we will have 2 adults in the first couple of days and then 3 adults will stay in the last day. After saving, it turns yellow, but it is still not saved. It is necessary to press this save button as well. On the first day, they stay as 2 persons and I'm repricing the reservation in this manner. In this way, I am arranging that the first period pricing is done for 2 guests, while the last days will be charged according to pricing for 3 adults. It is not necessary for this price to come from contract. By clicking on any day, we can enter the price we want or change the number of people to whom the price will be applied. From now on, even if the contract and conditions change, 4-day price will definitely stay the same.